All right, a short video here. I'm going to turn on the drone. We're going to see how many satellites we get here on the ground. It'll take a second. And I believe this
The
drone
home point has been updated.
just picks
Please
up
check it on the map.
cell phone towers. That's what it's using. Now we're up to 12. Right now, 12 satellites, according to NASA Lies. But as I get higher, this drone has been, I might say, hacked, because I can fly unlimited heights. The only thing that kind of limits me is the signal. When I get up, well, I won't say how high, because I might be fracturing some laws. There, now we're getting 13, 14 satellites. My satellites go down to 3 to 5, especially when I get over 500 feet, which is the limit of most drones from the factory. So let's try taking off here and see what happens.
The home point has been updated.
Let me fly myself. Up and away. Alright. I've approached the maximum of most drones. You can't hear it at all. And see, my satellites are starting to drop. I believe we are getting too high for the cell towers. Alright. See that? No satellites right now. And I am kind of, you might be saying, fracturing the law right now with the heights at. I'll include that video later. Alright, I've come down a little ways, and we are now getting 7 satellites again, right around 500 feet. And something else I want to mention in this video is when you buy an iPad, you can buy them with or without a SIM card. And if you get one without a SIM card, like this one is here, this is an AirPad Lite, then it won't have GPS built into it. Only iPhones or any phone that has a SIM card, or any iPad that has a SIM card in it, will have GPS in it. So obviously, I would have to say that the SIM card has something to do with the GPS, or they would include it. So that's also something to think about. And when I mentioned 500 feet in the video, I mean 500 meters, but it's probably better not to say that. So just something I wanted to touch on.